How to get cheap shipping from all China buy. So to find the cheapest shipping options from all China buy, you need to consider using the sea freight for bulk goods, e-packet for small items under 2 kilograms, and exploring fulfillment 3PL, freight forwarders, or consolidated shipments. So first, you need to take care of the shipping methods. So first is the sea freight. This is generally the most cost-effective option for large, heavy items or bulk shipments, and this is the most efficient on getting the shipping cheap as from AcBuy. Then now we have here the AC packet. If you're shipping small, lightweight items under 2 kg, then you need extremely fast delivery. Just can be good and budget-friendly choice. And for the fulfillment, you need to have some third-party logistics, and these are companies specializing in handling shipping and logistics, which often offering competitive rates and services. Then what we have here also is the freight forwarders. These companies negotiate rates with shipping carriers on your behalf. Then lastly is the consolidated shipments, by combining your shipments with other orders, which can reduce costs as you're sharing the shipping expenses. Then we have here the ACU buy specifics. So if you check the website and contact the customer support. And then lastly, for general tips on saving on shipping, you need to compare the rates, the delivery speed, combine some orders, and look for discounts.